We will explore why this fund has outperformed its peers, its unique investment strategy, and whether it can continue to deliver strong returns in the future. Let us dive into the 5 key reasons why the Parag Parikh FlexiCap Fund has shielded its investors from the market's sharp decline. Although this fund belongs to the FlexiCap category, which allows it to invest across large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks as per market conditions, as SEBI mandates that at least 65% of the fund's assets must be invested in equity and equity related instruments. However, the Parag Parikh FlexiCap Fund has taken a unique approach by allocating 93% of its portfolio to large cap stocks. In comparison, the category average for large cap allocation is just 61%. This heavy focus on large cap stocks has been a significant advantage for this fund. Large cap stocks are generally less volatile compared to mid cap and small cap stocks, which tend to experience sharper declines during market corrections. For example, during the recent market downturn, small cap funds have declined over 25%, while large cap funds experience relatively smaller losses. By concentrating on large cap stocks, the Parag Parikh FlexiCap Fund has minimized its exposure to high volatility segments, resulting in a decline of only 3% over the last 6 months. In next section of the video, we will be discussing fund's international exposure, which plays a major role in the stable performance of this fund. Very few Indian mutual funds invest in international stocks, but the Parag Parikh FlexiCap Fund has allowed 13% of its portfolio to global blue chip companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, and Alphabet. This international exposure has been a game changer for this fund. While Indian markets have struggled, global markets have shown resilience, with some even experiencing growth over the past 6 months. For instance, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq indices have delivered positive returns during the same period, benefiting funds with international exposure. By diversifying into global markets, the Parag Parikh FlexiCap Fund has reduced its reliance on the Indian market, providing a cushion against domestic volatility. In the next section of the video, we will be discussing fund's concentrated portfolio, which helps in achieving good results for the fund. The fund follows a concentrated portfolio strategy, investing heavily in a select number of high quality stocks. For instance, 53% of its assets are invested in just the top 10 stocks of its portfolio. In contrast, other FlexiCap funds typically allocate only 40% to their top 10 holdings. This concentrated approach, combined with careful stock selection, has minimized losses during the market correction. When the chosen stocks perform well and remain stable, the fund's NAV is less likely to decline significantly. For example, the fund's top holdings include well-established companies with strong fundamentals such as HDFC Bank, Infosys, and Reliance, which have historically shown resilience during market downturns. The fund's stock picking strategy and sectoral allocation has also contributed to its strong performance. A significant portion of the funds is invested in financial sector, which has been relatively resilient during the recent market downturn. While sectors like IT and others have seen sharp declines, the financial sector has held up better, providing stability to the NAV of fund. The fund manager's ability to identify better performing sectors and selecting high performance stocks within these particular sectors have been a key factor in generating consistent returns for this fund. For example, the fund has avoided overexposure to the IT sector, which has been under pressure due to global macroeconomic concerns. Instead, it has focused on sectors like banking and financial services, which have shown steady growth despite the market correction. In the next section of the video, we will be discussing fund's diversification style, which helps fund to balance its risk and returns. The fund strikes a perfect balance between diversification and concentration. It is neither over-diversified, which can dilute returns, nor overly concentrated, which increases risk. With investments in 63 stocks, it matches the category average for diversification. However, it also maintains a focused approach by allocating a significant portion of its assets to the top holdings. The balanced strategy ensures that the fund has not overly exposed to the risk of a few stocks, while still benefiting from the growth potential of its top picks. In the next section of the video, we will be discussing funds short-term and long-term returns. The Parag Parikh FlexiCap Fund has consistently outperformed its peers and also its category averages in all the time frames, whether short term or long term. For instance, in the last 6 months, while the FlexiCap category fell by 15%, this fund declined by just 3%. While in 1 year, the category average return is 2% only, while this fund has delivered a impressive 12% return in the same period. In 3 years time frame, the fund has generated an annualized return of 18% compared to the category average of 12% only. While in 5 years, funds annualized returns stands at 20%, which is significantly higher than the category average of just 14%. At the same time, in 10 years, the category average return is only 12%, while this fund has been able to deliver an impressive 18% return. These outstanding returns highlight the fund's ability to deliver strong performance even during challenging market conditions. After returns, it is also equally important to assess the risk involved in the Parag Parikh FlexiCap Fund, which we will be discussing in the next section of the video. When evaluating the fund's risk, 3 key parameters stand out. First one is its risk ratios. Fund scores well on beta, alpha and Sharpe ratio, indicating lower volatility and better risk-adjusted returns compared to its peers. For example, the fund's beta is only 0.8, which suggests that it is less volatile than the market, while its Sharpe ratio is at around 1.5, which indicates better risk-adjusted returns. Second parameter to assess risk in a fund is its diversification. With investments in 63 stocks and 13% international exposure, the fund is well diversified, reducing the risk of overexposure to any single stock or market. The third parameter is its PE ratio. Fund's portfolio has a moderate PE ratio of around 19, reflecting a focus on reasonably valued stocks rather than highly speculative overpriced stocks. This conservative approach has helped the fund avoid significant losses during market corrections. Now in the final section of this video, we will try to find out the answer to the most important question: whether should you invest in this fund in present scenario? Given the current market conditions, this fund presents a compelling opportunity for investors. While the market has fallen significantly from 15 to 20% depending on the market categories, the Parag Parikh FlexiCap Fund has shown remarkable resilience, declining by only 3%. This makes this fund an attractive option for those who want to take advantage of this downturn in the market without fearing much further losses. However, it is important to approach investing with a long-term perspective. Markets are cyclical, and while downturns can be unsettling, they also present very good opportunities for growth. If you are considering a lump sum investment, it is better to invest in installments rather than putting all your money at once. For SIP investors, staying invested and continuing your SIP is very important during such corrections, because this may produce significant higher returns when market stabilizes and start going upwards. The Parag Parikh FlexiCap Fund's unique investment strategy, combining large cap focus, international diversification, concentrated portfolios and balanced sectoral allocation, has enabled it to outperform its peers and protect investors during market corrections. Its consistent performance across all time frames and low risk profile makes it a very strong contender for your investment. This video is for educational purposes only and not a recommendation or advice to invest. Conduct your own research or consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.